What is happening, YouTube? It's your boy TechTrex back with another video, and today we're gonna unbox some Gorillapod that I got from Primeday, and I'm gonna go ahead and test it out as well. So let's try it out. Here we go.
1, 2, 3.
First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks on your iPhone and your Android. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. And here we go. First of all, this is a JOBY. It was on sale. Used to be 35 bucks, I think. It was $10 off, and I got it for 25, something like that, on Amazon Prime Day. And basically, it's just for a little compact camera. I'll be using this for an iPhone and also a DJI Osmo Pocket. So really, the weight that I'm using will not be holding that much. So this is good enough for me, but I'm gonna try it out. I have a DSLR. Let's see if it can hold as well, even with the maximum 500G weight. So let's go ahead and open it up. Here we go. So as you can see there, you wanna take off this little plastic sticker that they have. Take that out. There you go. Open it up like so. Of course, struggle is real, just like always, right? You guys have seen my past videos. Always like that. Quality stuff right there. Probably don't need that. Let's go ahead and open it up, and that's it in the box. So let's throw that out. And there you go. With this thing, you'll be able to go ahead and take this out. And there you go. So pretty simple device. Pretty small actually. It's about as big as my palm. But it's easy to carry if you have a little case, little sling bag for your cameras. This is all you need. So let's go ahead and try out some maneuvers, because JOBY is popular for that, for Gorillapods, right? To be able to bend it and retract it to whatever you want. And this is supposed to do this, so it shouldn't break, right? I mean, this is what it's meant to be doing, just like that, you know. Little rocky places and whatnot, then it'll be able to stand either way. That's what it's supposed to do. So now let's go ahead and test out a few devices here. Let's see if it'll be able to carry it. Now here we go. Let's put our JOBY on the side there. We're gonna test out DJI Osmo Pocket, test out a GoPro as well, right there. We're gonna test out our phone plus the DJI Osmo Pocket. Let's see if it can do that. And for the ultimate test, we're gonna go ahead and test out a DSLR. Let's just put all this stuff on the side. So let's start off by mounting the DJI. It's already ready right here, right? So basically all you do is just mount it up right there. Screw it on. This is just a typical tripod mount. And then you use it with the adapter, so it'll fit with the DJI. So obviously that'll fit right in, pretty easy. So DJI works pretty well. It doesn't bend or anything like that. You can carry it pretty light actually. You could do it one-handed, pretty easy. So let's go ahead and take this out, put in our GoPro as well. I'm sure it'll be okay because the GoPro is about the same weight as the DJI Osmo Pocket. So let's take out our GoPro right here. Let's put it in right here. And let's screw it in. There you go. As expected, it carries it pretty well. If you're vlogging with your GoPro Hero 5 or any GoPro, this will be perfect. Be useful for that. There you go. Let's take that out now. Let's go ahead and put a little bit more weight, which is the DJI Osmo Pocket and the iPhone, using this mount right here. So all we need to do is take out this from our DJI, stick this in here, flip our adapter as well at the same time. There you go. Put in our phone. like so. There you go. Tighten it up. We won't need this adapter anymore. So if you're a DJI Osmo Pocket extremist and what you use is this kind of setup with this kind of mount, this mount as well from Ulanzi is very heavy. It's metal frame right here, so it really holds the phone, but I don't know. Okay, so even then it is pretty heavy, that Ulanzi bracket right there, but this carries it pretty well, so you can bend it as well and it'll be able to carry it, no problem. Pretty good. Now you can use this Joby to vlog with your phone and DJI Osmo Pocket. Pretty good. So let's do the ultimate test now of using the DSLR camera, full frame, Pentax K5 right on our Joby right here. There we go. So this is pretty straightforward. Tripod mount on the bottom, and you should be able to just put that right in there. And there you go. I don't know if this is gonna work actually, but I just want to test it out, if how strong this little Joby would stand. Actually, it is heavy for one hand, but this Joby mount, I don't know how long it doesn't carry it when it's vertical like this. You see that? Like, it's pretty good for the most part. I wouldn't do this for a long time because it is pretty heavy, but it can carry it. Can you imagine that, eh? That's pretty crazy. So there you go, guys. If y'all can see that this little Joby guy, $24 from Amazon Primeday. I mean, normally it's only like $30-$35 Canadian, right? So it's pretty cheap with this little guy. It's pretty versatile. I like it a lot because I don't like those bigger ones because it could carry more weight, but this guy you can put on your pocket. You can put it on the side of your sling bag and things like that. It's pretty versatile. It's still pretty strong. Great quality from Joby. Good job, guys. Good job, Joby, for making a quality product that even carries a DSLR, even though it says the max is 500 grams. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing of JOBY Gorillapod. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this. Hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace out.